All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about how to convert to smart object. So let's say that we wanted to convert this item to a smart object. You would just right click on the layer and convert to smart object. Okay, and the other way that you can do this is right here. You can go to layer here and do smart objects, convert to smart object, edit contents, relink to file. It gives you all these other options that you can do. Really, the idea of the smart object is you're going to pull something from, for example, if you imported something from Illustrator, it's going to make it a smart object. And the reason why they do that is that way you can't edit the content. You can just resize it. That's all. Okay. So if I wanted to make layer 7 a smart object, just right click and convert to smart object. And there you go. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.